Greetings, friends. It is October 9th, 2025, and I would like to do a quick lesson with you on triangle congruence. So, when you want to prove triangles congruent, you must use the reflexive property for adjoining sides, like right here, and you must use vertical angles being congruent, like right there, so that you can have enough information. So you have to see what isn't marked and mark it. So we are just looking at side, 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 and side angle side today. So one of the things that I like to do is make sure that I have everything in order. So obviously we have side angle side here, and you'll see that you have all three sides marked the same here. So this has to be side, 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 but notice I needed to mark that first. Now, this, number 3, is one of those tricky questions because you'll notice that it goes side, angle, side, but then it goes angle, side, side, which is bad because there are no A.S.S's in geometry. So let's take a look right here. You'll notice we only have a side and an angle. So again, there happens to be not enough information there. Now let's take a look at number 5. I think this one's pretty obvious. We have side, angle, side, side, angle, side. You will also notice that there are two sides marked, so I always start with S for side angle, for side, 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 or side angle, side. Let's take a look at number 6. Now you'll notice number 6 only has angles marked. And all we can know is that they are proportional to each other, but they might be slightly different sizes. So without one side marked saying that they're exactly the same size, we have to say not enough information. The same thing, again, computer generated, there's not enough information there either. Oh, let's take a look. What about number 8? Well, if somebody told us that these were the same, then I could have side angle side. If somebody told us that. Now, what about number 9? Well, we do know that those two are congruent. So if we wanted to use side angle side, we would need a couple of sides congruent. And we have lots of angles, but there's still not enough information. And don't let it scare you if there's not enough information. Now, let's take a look at what's probably the hardest problem for most people to do. You must acknowledge that that is congruent to itself. And now you can use side, angle, side. And there are some basic examples. Let's keep going. So, reflexive property, side, angle, side, side, angle, side, side, angle, side. This one is a bit more obvious. There are no angles marked, and you would need those. So, there's not enough information. And there you have some basic examples. You'll notice that some of these are still not enough information. We have a side, side, side. We have a side angle side. Again, mark it, then you could use it. If there's not enough information, there's not enough information. These are also not enough information because they're out of order. You're out of order. No, you're out of order. Notice I must use the reflexive property, side, angle, side. So I think that's enough for now. Oh, wait, there's more. Let's finish with a vertical angles problem. Vertical angles are your new best friend. Without those vertical angles, you can't prove those are congruent. However, they are there even if you don't notice them. They are congruent and nobody has to tell you. You have to pick that information out of the diagram. Again, you must pick the information out of the diagram, just like number 29. So if you see two triangles that are linked together, you need to make sure you mark adjoining things congruent. So that is congruent to itself, side, 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 angle, side. And therefore, we have what we need. So I hope you enjoyed the show. For those of you who happen to be my current students, make sure you watch this or have watched this. I hope you have watched this before you come to class next time. And if you're reviewing for an exam or for a test or just learning about triangle congruence, this is a great way to start. Infinite Algebra and KUTA software, KUTA software, have excellent worksheets with answer keys. I highly recommend checking them out. They're just totally free. You can even get a 30-day trial if you want to make your own worksheets. You just have to be able to download the software onto your computer. Have an excellent day. And if you have requests, feel free to shoot me a line. First name dot last name at gmail.com. Cheers. Have a great day. Oh, wait, there's more. I'm also available for math tutoring online all over the world. I have reasonable rates, and if you reach out to me from this video, I'll knock 30% off your rate the whole time. Cheers. Yes, I want to end it.